To change the email settings for the different types of custom forms in the Form Customization window of QuickBooks Online, click the Emails tab at the top of the window. The Emails tab lets you view and change the email settings for a form type. Unlike the other form settings, the email settings are shared. Some settings are shared by all forms, while others are shared by only the same form type. So you can edit the email settings for any form type in any form customization window of that type. The How Your Form Type appears in Emails setting, where form type is the name of the current type of form you are customizing, is a setting shared by all form types. So the choice you make here applies to all the forms you send. You can choose to send either the full details or summarized details in forms by selecting the desired option button. To attach a PDF, check the PDF Attached checkbox or the Attach PDF version of invoice checkbox, depending on the form. The standard email setting applies to forms of the same form type. For the invoice form type only, there are also reminder email settings that are shared by all invoices. When customizing an invoice form type, you can click either section's label to expand and collapse the settings within that section. The settings are the same for both sections. In either section, to customize the email's subject line, change the default value shown in the subject field as needed. To add a greeting, check the Use Greeting checkbox and then use the next two drop-downs to select a salutation and customer name format. To edit the body of the email, edit the default content in the Message to Customer field. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.